নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 90। We all love georgettes and chiffons. আর আজকের এপিসোডটা is on georgette and that too hand woven georgette Banarasi. All master woven and all these are absolutely Karwal pure georgettes and antique zari, and they very feminine, and we love draping georgettes because it has a great fall. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today I'll show you some exclusive georgette Banarasi in antique zari and double border checks leher like what I'm wearing. Very smart looking sarees which have just been woven and we have just polishes all complete and all ready to ship. Color is purple with green and blue color combination, double border. Upper and lower border will have double border, all over small buta, all over tiny small buta throughout the saree. And here goes the pallu part. 11,900 rupees, 11,900 with the blouse piece. Viridian green blouse piece. The whole saree is a lovely shade of purple and green blue combination border. Of course, as I said, double border. This is the combination. Lovely shade. Product number 1. Now comes product number 2. It's in navy blue color with rani and green color combination border. Navy, rani and green double border, parrot green and rani color combination. Here goes the pallu and contrast blouse. 11,900. Since the saree is throughout woven, lovely all over weave it is there. The blouse I've kept it solid. See, this is the blouse piece with just the border. But what I have done, I've just mixed and matched with another raw silk fabric in the body and kept the sleeves transparent. Since it's very good quality blouse fabric, pure georgette, this blouse is almost 10-year-old, this blouse of mine. But it goes with so much, so many sarees, and the quality is so good that you can wear it without lining also. Pallu. Navy blue with green rani, double border. Now comes black. Same combination as I'm wearing. This is in buta style, double border of course. Black, for party wear, and even for, it gives a very feminine, a very, lovely feel, this black color, especially in georgette. 11,900. This is the blouse piece. All the blouse pieces are in solid color with the border. Here is the saree. Jet black. Check out the border and also the butas. Of course, these are all pure, all hand woven. When I spend time with the weavers, when I go to my workshop, the looms, we see, the children after they have food and they want to, their pastime is cutting the back of these georgettes. Small 5-year-old, 6-year-old, they are always cutting. This woman in the family, it's a beautiful, the whole family is involved in this creation. This is the peacock blue with navy blue and green color combination. Navy and green double border. Product number 4. 11,900 with green blouse, green pallu. This is also a very nice color. It's a dark turquoise blue. Those who want to avoid the red Rani chart, for them it's a lovely combination, you know, the nice option. Very rare color in Georgette. 11,900 as I said. Now comes product number 5. Magenta, purplish magenta. With green and royal blue border. Green and royal blue border. Throughout Buta, this color also, you know, enhances your complexion. We feel that, nay, I'm dark, it will not look nice, but no. This royal blue blouse and this combination, the magenta, then orange, mustard, these always enhance your complexion. 11,900 rupees with royal blue blouse piece. Somehow I personally feel that, you know, the baby pink, the light mauve, these color, it gives a reflection on your complexion and difficult to carry for some. I have no inhibitions of complexion, but those who have, they feel that this doesn't suit her. So I think these colors look good on everybody. 11,900 rupees. Now comes the checkered Georgettes. All woven, orange, rustish orange with navy and Rani color combination. Double border. Beautiful combination. This burgundy color border, it's actually in a burgundish navy blue color combination. See the color combination, it's very different. And this is 10,950 rupees. Check Banarasi double border, 10,950. Very smart looking sari, ideal for party wears, and you know it's a traditional but at the same time very chic looking. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. During the lockdown period, we will be opening only the Cornfield Road branch as per government rule. The time will be 12 to 3. We are taking bookings, of course. Little maybe slightly slow in replying because my staffs can't stay back. So hence I have to do the booking. So just please bear with me. This is another checkered sari in royal blue with Rani and parrot green. And we are couriering. Cash on delivery not possible in Kolkata now. Other than the lockdown period, we will do cash on delivery. Outstation, we are couriering regularly. Only where there is lockdown, the delivery will be slightly delayed. Maybe if it takes 4 days, then it will take another 2 days time if there is strict lockdown. Otherwise, no problem in shipping. International shipping are all, of course, on. Tailoring will take some time more because my tailors can't come because the transport is absolutely at halt in Kolkata. Otherwise, we will be couriering it to you. We have two branches, as I said, and there's a Facebook page link that is going. Please check out that page so that you can get regular notifications of the next episode that's coming up. This has a Rani color blouse piece. Same price, 10,950 rupees. Royal blue with Rani and green color combination. Product number 9, bottle green with magenta and blue. So all the colors are very favorite colors, all are favorite colors. Bottle green, magenta and royal blue. Rich, very rich look. And with magenta blouse piece. So bottle green and magenta looks very smart, and especially when the double border has a touch of royal blue with it. See, it's so easy to drape, and it has a great fall actually. So see, I showed you double border, I showed you the buta wala double border, I showed you the checkered ones. Now here comes the big buta. This is a earthy tone but a very smart color combination in onion pink shade, dusty onion pink with wine color combination. Antique zari buta, big buta, antique zari. Both sides will have this wine color dyed border. $10,900, product number 9, 10,900. A very uncommon color combination. It can be worn long time. See the wine color blouse piece with this. It's a very beautiful piece. So here comes the big buta, small buta I also showed you. Now our all-time favorite, Konya buta in gold zari. Rani color, I had worn this in one of the episodes. Pallu, see the corner buta. It's called the Konya buta and pure rich Georgette Banarasi Konya buta. It's a bridal collection, especially for anniversaries also, it's a lovely piece. 12,900. 12,900. Stunning piece. All hand woven, pure heavy quality Georgette Banarasi with all over buta in light gold. And here is the blouse piece. You can check out the video of this in the previous episode, and this is product number 10B, the same thing in red. Konya buta in red. So two colors I have in Konya buta. I usually make these colors. 12,900, rich red. We love this red. It's a deep red color. And the blouse piece will be again solid red with border. Lovely piece. Now I'll tell you something about what the Mani is wearing. The mannequin is wearing a magenta and a sea green color combination, half and half Georgette Banarasi. So this is another concept of weaving. 11,900. The blouse piece is of this sea green color. I have made the mannequin wear a chandeli blouse. It's 690 rupees per meter, and it looks lovely with many saris also, any solid color or any color sari. 11,900, half and half. See, it's a lovely weave. The pleats will be in big buta and the body will be in small buta all over. There are more combinations, and many more combinations have been shown in previous episode of Georgettes also. Now coming to the monotone. This is in sea green again, Rama green color. I have at present only two colors are available now. One is the dark green color and one is this Rama green color. Monotone. It looks very nice on wearing. You wear it with a solid blouse, the same sari blouse, and wear it with any contrast jewelry also. It looks very nice. 10,900 rupees with blouse piece. See the solid blouse that I was talking about. This is the blouse piece. ভীষণ স্মার্ট লুকটা দেয়, একটা মোনোটোনের একটা আলাদা গেট আপ আছে। Monotones have another kind of a get up. 10,900 rupees. And this color is looks also very nice color. বিউটিফুল পিস। ভালো শাড়ি বুনে এলে না মানে দেখাতেও ভালো লাগে। তো এবারে আসছে আবার আমাদের একটা সিগনেচার কালেকশন, এটা হচ্ছে স্ক্রিপ্টের ওপর। জাস্ট ইমাজিন woven saree in script weave, that too in zari. We print script, we do block print in script, but the weave in zari, it's you know, master weavers only can do this. And one more thing, nothing can be read in this. This is just hiji-biji, you can say. It's just scribbling, but the concept is on script. Black border, antique zari black border. The color is deep red and black combination. 10,350 rupees. This price is same for the last 10 years. 10,350 rupees. Here is the whole saree with the black blouse. This is a black blouse with this. It's actually a beauty. Two colors I'll show you today in script, and the other one is product number 13 in blue and red color combination. Price remains the same, 10,350 rupees. So see the variety that I'm showing you in Georgette script hand woven Banarasi, 10,350 rupees, blue and red color combination. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product. Since these are 1-1 pieces, it will be first come first serve basis. Once the payment is done, it will be couriered to you, all ready to ship. Within after payment, within 2 days it will be shipped. This is the blouse piece. Now coming to Bandhej Banarasi, Georgette Banarasi Bandhej Ghat Chola weave. So many varieties of Banarasis I am showing you, that too in the same fabric, pure Georgette. This is the pallu. Usually what I do is from this part I don't polish, you know, I just like that bandhej. Since these are all hand bandhej, you see that these are all hand bandhej, so I like to keep the crush look from here to the pallu, and the rest of the sari I polish. Royal blue Ghat Chola Georgette Banarasi Bandhej. Rich gorgeous sari hand woven. Again here once again the pallu, and here goes the blouse piece. See, bandhej with the border. Product number 14, and the price is 15,500 rupees. Yes, 16,800. 16,800. In case I miss out any price or I quote anything wrong, then please check out the description part. All the details are mentioned. Whatever the price is mentioned in the scroll part, that's the final price. This is in shaded magenta all over bandhej with rich Banarasi weave. Pallu, very rich color combination. and of course it will have the magenta blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So this is another color, which this is 14,900 rupees. 14,900. Now comes the Jal weave, 10,900. 10,900. This is in wine color, antique zari, Jal weave. So if you see the whole video till the end, you will understand the various forms of weave that I showed you in this single fabric georgette. And this also new weave. Every episode, as I say, keep watching, because you will find something new. This weave is totally new. 10,900 rupees, totally new weave. In monotone again. Copper zari. Goldenish copper. And this wine color blouse piece with the border. Now comes the next color, navy. Product 17, navy blue. $10,900 in navy. How does it look? This monotone, just check out these colors and all single pieces. If the lockdown wasn't there, I mean, situation were a bit better, then I could have, woven, asked the karigars to weave more, but situation is such that very limited time to weave because of the lockdown, and then transporting it also. But just check out, every time I'll try to show you something different. Red, gorgeous red, and 10,900 also. Deep red. So all those who were wanting the bridal colors, so today I showed you Rani red, another Konya Butta red Rani. So all these lovely rich colors with red blouse with the border. All over jal weave. And even in spite of there's so much of weave, it still looks so rich. Now coming to what I'm wearing. Now this is again another new design that I'm showing you. Double border in Leheriya. Leher weave in antique zari. Copperish antique zari, not the very dark one. It's a rich zari color combination with dual tone, double border. The blouse will be magenta color and the price is 11,900. Magenta color blouse piece, 11,900, and I'm wearing a jet black color. The neck piece that I'm wearing is 3,500 rupees, 3,500 neck piece. See the Meena stone studding there. And here is the earring that will go along, that will be given along. It's a set actually. See, magenta stone setting jhumka, 3,500 rupees the whole set. premium jewelry. It goes with a lot of traditional saris stuffs. And then I'll show you the color of what I'm wearing. Very smart looking sari actually. These look very uncommon actually, these layered ones. Magenta with green and orange double border. And green blouse, 11,900, green blouse piece. All polished and ready to ship. Product number 20. Green and Rani color combination border. Yellow with green Rani, 11,900, yellow with green Rani. And the green blouse. This is also a very nice color. And the last one, #21, the same yellow with burgundy and magenta color combination. The double border color changes to burgundy and Rani. Rani blouse. Price same, 11,900. Please subscribe to the channel to get regular notifications. Every episode there will be different product, and whatever new that's there in the stock, we usually show those. And please do like our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, and also the Insta page. আশা করি ভালো লাগলো, দেখতে থাকুন। নমস্কার।